Morning everybody, another week. Certainly feels like autumn is almost upon us. It's quite a cold wind this morning, but it's still a very beautiful morning. Hey, another beautiful week. Hope everyone's okay. Hope you're all staying safe and well. Thanks for joining me again. We'll see what we can find. Well, just look at our lone cygnet, getting very close to adulthood. Autumn is well underway. And the badgers have had a great big clear out before winter. Oh, disturbed the red kite. Just standing next to this lake. Miles, watching for wildlife, picking blackberries. Life feels good. Morning guys, out into the peace and quiet of another day. See what I can see today. Yesterday, fantastic buzzard, red kite, we saw our cygnets, but anyway, no more whittling. Just going to see what we can find. Sorry, there was also a beautiful pink glow in the sky this morning. It really is no sunrise, but the sky is beautiful. So the country's been beset with fuel panic buying. We're going to have shortages of food at Christmas. But I saw this sign, I thought it was absolutely hilarious. And it seems to be nature's rush hour. Everybody seems to be flying around. And I wonder how long it'll be before this guy is left to go on its own. Hi guys, I'm now standing in a pond which, as you can see, has no water. It's not really a pond, it's quite a large body of water, this, in one of the nature reserves here. I have never seen so little water. We're at the end of September, literally a couple of days to October, and look at this. It's absolutely astounding. This is part of the floodplain between the river, which is over in this direction, and the lakes, which are over in that direction, and this is always full of water. But look at these reeds, look, they're completely and utterly dry. Weird, really, really strange. Worrying stuff. Morning, guys. There's been quite a lot of rain. There's no clouds in the sky, so I'll get a few sunrise photographs. Let's have a look. Well, thanks very much for watching, guys. I hope you join me next week when we're not in North Bedfordshire, but we're much further north.